So does a gas pressure washer equal more foam in a foam cannon? Let's find out. So what's up YouTube? This is Joel with Attention to Detail. In today's video we're going to do a gas versus electric testing out both gas and electric pressure washers. So now we're going to use the same soap, the same foam cannon. We're just going to disconnect it from one, connect it to the other, so there's no unfair, no hey they cut this and did that. It's going to be the same exact foam cannon mixture. And just to show a little more here, I'm going to use the MTM PF22, and I have a marker on there for both 2 and 4 ounces of soap. Probably going to go somewhere in the middle. I'm going to try for about 3 ounces. And the soap we're going to use is Chemical Guy's Watermelon Snow Foam Auto Wash. It's a great product. It's in the same boat as the Honeydew Snow Foam. It's a very popular soap. So I'm really hoping that it's going to turn out well. Let's talk a little bit about the pressure washers. So for the electric pressure washer, we're going to use the Blue Clean 1900 PSI 1.3 gallon per minute electric pressure washer. And we're going to be comparing that with the Black Max 2800 PSI 2.3 gallon per minute. So all right, let's stop wasting time. Let's go see how they compare. So there you have it folks, the Watermelon Snow Foam from Chemical Guys, the comparison between gas and electric. Comment down below, let me know who you think did better. I personally have to go with gas pressure washer. Just putting out more gallons per minute, more air goes through, it just foams up better in my personal opinion. If you disagree, once again, leave a comment. Don't be rude about it, but leave a comment. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. This was Joel with Attention to Detail. Thanks for watching.